Google Tools. Today we'll be going over Gmail and how to organize and set up your Gmail so it's organized and it's clean and it looks nice, so we can use that communication tool effectively. So this is my teacher account. As you can see, has a nice picture in the background. It's very well organized. Here's kind of everything. Here's starred. So these are like things that I just kind of want to keep as a reference point. And then these things are things that I haven't read yet or that are important that I still need to kind of work on. So this is kind of the end goal in mind. No unread messages, nice picture in the background. This is our kind of our learning goal for today. So to show you how I got to this point, I'm going to use one of my other Gmail accounts that I hardly use for really anything. So first thing you'll see is that there's no picture in the background. That's how yours probably is unless you changed already. This one's a really simple fix. You just go right up here to this gears option. That's like the universal icon for settings. So you click on that and you go right down here to themes. Then you can really choose whatever design that fits your fancy. Okay, I'm a huge chess fan, so that's what I chose. You can really choose whatever you did. So let's choose Lake Tahoe. And instantly, as you can see, it looks a lot better. Okay. The next thing I want to show you is how to get that organized like that, so you can kind of have your things organized. Okay, it's really simple. Again, you just click right over here on your inbox, and then you can go to here. Now, there's a couple of different options you can do. I either do starred first or priority inbox, but really play around with these ones. Whichever one you like, you can use. Let's do priority inbox. Then hit leave, and then it'll just kind of take a second and organize those for you. So it's not deleting anything, it's not changing anything, it's really just kind of organizing your Gmail for you. Okay, sorry about that little blip. Now it's working. Okay, so you'll see here now that I have my 3 sections. Okay, so important, and how you make something important is this little flag right here. So everything that has a little flag or unread would be in this section. Everything that I've starred, and starring is really simple. You just star those things. And you can use stars for really whatever you want to use it for. It's really up to you. I use this for things I just want to keep around just in case I need it again. Important unread, usually I use that for things that I need to do, kind of a to-do list, or people I need to respond to, or things like that. And this is really just everything else. And if you're like me, you probably have a lot of messages that are not you have not read or do not really want to read ever. So the cool thing is you can go right up here to this box right here, select all, and then you can just hit mark as read. And then now you have only the unread ones will be in this one. So these are the ones that you still want to read that are important. You've marked them as important, and that'll help you keep things organized. Also in this, if you do it this way, you can these are a lot of different promotions and things. So if you ever wanted to unsubscribe from a promotion, you just click on the email, go down to the bottom, and then you can always click right here to unsubscribe. It opens up another tab, and then you can do, and you're really just taking your email off of their list for emails. So then you can just do, click here, just unsubscribe from all email marketing messages from Deseret Book. You have successfully been unsubscribed. Okay, so your first, it's gonna take a minute, but you might have a lot of these kind of junky emails, but it's really nice once you get all those kind of taken care of, then you won't have them emailing you anymore. It takes some time, an investment of time, but after that, it's really nice. And if you kind of know that none of these are important, you can mark them all, and then you could just do archive. Archive is not deleting them. It's kind of putting them in a separate folder where you don't have to look at them anymore, but they're still there. If you ever need to go back and look at them, then you can do that. So that might be what you want to do as you're starting off, is just archiving everything. Then moving forward, you can store things in either starred or important and unread. Okay. One other thing, I mean, so that's just one option. Starred first, I like that too. Then you only have 2 sections, but it's really whatever one you like. But your default, I don't like because there's no organization at all. But I would have one of these options selected. Last thing I'll show you is messaging. So you should probably have something over here on the right, and I'll show you on my teacher one for this one. So example, like when I need to talk to Mr. Morris, I can just click on him and I can say, hey man, what's up? And how you start a new one, you do here, and you just type in. So if I wanted to message Mr. Dodds, I can message Mr. Dodds or Mr. Chittister or a lot of other teachers at this school, and then it just kind of pops up as an instant message. Okay. So there's a little introduction to Gmail organizing. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help with that.